Hey guys, I'm Victor. I want to bring you a real quick video of my experience using the Dakota boat retriever. This is not a sponsored ad, just a really neat product, and wanted to show it with you all. How many times have you been to the lake and launched a boat by yourself? Now I'm trying to drag the rope around to keep the boat from getting away from you, carrying it over to the dock or the shore and tying it off. This is the absolute coolest thing I have come across to launch a boat solo. You can use it with other people helping you out. In this case, I didn't have that. But if you like this product, I'll include their information down below. And they got like 3 different levels on strength. I guess the lightest strength, medium strength, and heaviest strength. I'm going to do boats of all sizes. Really cool product. They're a company based out of Knoxville, Tennessee, and their product comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So it's warranted to the original purchaser of the item. But check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Hope this video helped. Give it a thumbs up if it did. Subscribe if you haven't already.